Hey guys, how are you? We just finished our class and now we are in vacation period. Yes! All of this time we are fixing our houses and doing some repairs in the center. Also, at the same time, I've been reading this book about Jaime Bonet, his life and his works. It was surprising to see how Jaime Bonet experienced such a profound joy when he encountered Christ for the first time. Through his prayer, "If you exist, make me happy," the Lord fulfilled that day and throughout the rest of his life this promise or this gift of being happy. It is connected with the gospel that we have today. It talks about joy, happiness of the disciples who have been sent by Jesus to the mission. He was telling them, go on your way and announce the gospel. And when they came back, they were filled with joy, sharing to Jesus what happened in their mission. And then Jesus reminded them that their happiness comes from the very truth that their names are already written in heaven. Jesus wants us to be happy, to be joyful. And that's why, like the 72 disciples, He is sending us out to the mission. Go on your way, He said. Go on your way. What is your mission? Right now, our mission here is to fix things in the house. It seems boring, perhaps, but actually it gives us a lot of meaning because we know that it comes from Jesus and that we are doing this not alone, 2 by 2 or with the whole community. And whenever we share with Jesus this progress of the mission, He also enjoys with us the fruits of this mission and reminds us that, the joy, the deep joy that you are looking for doesn't come only from these things that you are doing, but from the very truth that I love you, that you are with me, and that your name is with God, is in heaven already. So go out. What are you waiting for? If you want to be joyful, go out to your mission, go on your way, and share all these experiences with Jesus.